Hello friends, today I'm bringing to you this easiest one-pot lasagne soup recipe. Not only is this recipe easy, but it is also so tasty. It does not require a ton of ingredients and it only takes less than an hour to make. The combination of ricotta and mozzarella cheese will even elevate this soup to a whole new level. Let me show you how to make it. Let's begin by chopping the onions. We need about 3 cups. We also need fresh minced garlic. We need 2 tablespoons. Onions and garlic are the only ingredients that need to be chopped in this recipe. And now, let's heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Then add 1 pound of ground beef or Italian sausage. Break into bite-sized pieces and brown for about 5 minutes. You can use any of your preferred ground meat for this recipe. Then now, let's add the chopped onions and let them cook until softened. This will take about 6 minutes. We are now ready to add the minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of dried oregano, and a half teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. Cook it about 1 minute. And now, let's add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, and stir it well to incorporate. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes or until the tomato paste turns rusty brown color. Then add the can of diced tomatoes. And now stir to combine. Now add the chicken stock. I used 2 boxes of 32 ounces chicken stock. Stir it well again to incorporate. Then add 2 bay leaves. Now bring to a boil and then reduce the heat and simmer for 30 minutes. You can add some chicken bouillon to it for some extra flavor. And now let's prepare the cheesy yum. We need 8 ounces of ricotta cheese, 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 2 cups of mozzarella, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a pinch of ground black pepper. Mix everything to combine and set aside until the soup is ready. I prefer to cook the curly pasta separately because I don't want it to become mushy and absorb all the soup broth. And then I added it to the soup. The pasta is cooked al dente so it will not become mushy. Turn the heat off and add the dried or fresh basil leaves. Stir to combine. We are now ready to serve the soup, so let's place a dollop of the cheesy yum in the soup bowl, sprinkle some of the mozzarellas on top, and ladle the hot soup over the cheese. Now, go ahead and stir to combine. The cheese will melt and make the soup even extra delicious and cheesy. And now it is time to taste the soup. It was cheesy, it tasted so good, and it tasted like lasagna. Now, do you want to learn how to make baked feta pasta on a stovetop? Let me show you in my next video. Catch you there!